Hi, I'm Cheryl. I'm an adult services librarian at the main branch of the Kansas City, Kansas Public Library. I'm going to be recording and uploading a series of videos on how to use Zoom for you. Zoom is an online meeting software, which means that you can meet virtually through the internet like a video chat with one-on-one or with groups of people. It's becoming very popular now with all of the social distancing because of COVID-19, and so I'm just going to be showing you how to sign up for an account, how to join a meeting, how to host your own meeting. That's what they call it when a group of people get together, a meeting. Okay, so first of all, open up your internet browser, which I'm going to be showing you on the computer, but you are allowed to do this on a smartphone or a mobile device, anything that can use an app. Go to where you get your apps from and download an app called Zoom Cloud Meeting, and you can sign up that way. I'm going to be demonstrating on the computer version. All of the abilities are the same between the different versions, pretty much. The basic functions are all there. Just on the mobile versions, the buttons may be in different spots. So first of all, you're going to go up to the address box up here and type in zoom.us, and that will take you to this web page. Once you're here, you go over here where it says sign up, it's free. You click that, and it's going to ask you for your birth date. You will put that in. I'm just going to be using a random birthday here. And click continue. Then it will ask you for your work email address. Now, this does not have to be your work email. This was originally created for businesses, so that's why it says work. But if you're using it for your personal meetings, your social stuff, visit your family, your friends, you will put in your personal email account. If you are using your work email, your actual work email, and your company has an account, then you will be signed up under your company's account. And the rules are a little different, but also whoever they've assigned in their IT department to be the administrator for that account will be able to see a recording of all of the meetings that happen under their account. They will also be allowed to read the transcripts of any chats that you have with people you're in meetings with. Now this means that if you use your work email and you do personal meetings with your family, your friends, or if you chat to your coworkers privately while you're in a work meeting, the administrator will be able to see that and read that. It is not private. So please don't get in trouble with your company. If you're doing a personal meeting with your family and friends, please sign up for an account under your personal email. Okay, I'm going to use an email that we just created to teach email classes at the library. Please don't send anything to this email. It's not checked at all except when we're in email classes. And then you click sign up. You will be getting an email in your inbox very shortly after you sign up for the account. You might want to click on inbox a few times. It usually comes very quickly. There we go. Please activate your Zoom account. It will have a link in there where it says activate account. You will click on that. It will take you back to Zoom. It will ask you, are you signing up on behalf of a school? Because the rules for schools are slightly different. So you will click No and continue. Then it will say your account has been successfully created. Now you will put in your name and create a password. And as you see, your password must have at least 8 characters. You must have, one of them must be a letter, one a number, and it has to be upper and lowercase. So I'm going to create 1. And once all those turns green, it will be a good password. Then you will click in the next box where it says confirm password and type the same thing again. This is because if you type your password in here, all you see are dots. You can't see the actual password, so you're not sure if you've made typos or not. So this is to avoid typos if you do it both times. Type the exact same thing. Okay. And then you will click continue. I am not a robot. Click I am not a robot if it asks you. This part is inviting your colleagues to create their own Zoom account, your contacts, anybody that you know. This is not necessary. So I will click skip this step. Now, your first thing here is to start a meeting now. This is your personal meeting URL. Ignore this personal one because I'm going to be deleting this account as soon as we finish the videos. So this will not be an active account. Your personal meeting is what you can use for any meeting that you are creating to talk to somebody else. So you can either click Start Now or click Go to My Account. We're going to go to your account. And this is your basic screen. You might have some things at the top that are just letting you know what's going on new. You have a link here that might be all about Zoom. It looks like they're conducting a tour, a virtual tour, where you can have somebody show you around. We're going to close that out. And then you are signed up for your account. Now, we are going to be doing other videos. I'm trying to keep these videos fairly short, so we're going to do other videos on how to join a meeting and how to create your own meeting and how to do various things like keeping yourself safe while you're in there. So this is the end of how to sign up for an account. Thank you for joining us today, and look for the next videos coming up soon. Thank you very much.